Stay tuned to see me make this corsage and boutonniere. Welcome to Gracegarden, where I love to be, but I also love to travel and explore the big, beautiful garden that we all share. I'm your host, Carol Kanicki, and I'm so glad you've come along. So thankful to enjoy the beauty in nature and to get to work with the things that I love. And to get to share all that with you. Join me for some awesome adventures in nature and at some other exciting destinations. I hope to inspire you and to document my memories. Thank you for coming along with me out into our Gracegarden. To see how I got to this point, click the card up in the corner. Sorry. You have to get it, Freya. You have to get it. While I'm out of frame is probably not the best time to ask, but if you could, please subscribe to my channel. It really means the world to me. I'm sorry I was out of frame. I'm back in. There you go. This one's also got a bend. One last piece of green to go at the bottom. Down here. And then the ribbon, which is going to go down here at the very bottom. And then we wrap it all very nicely. And down here, we're going to clip off all but a few of these stones. Be very careful when you're doing this. Okay, so now it's smaller here, and I'll show you why. I'll show you why we want those in a second. First, let's finish wrapping this up. Tight, tight, tight. The heat of your hands is what makes the tape sticky and activates it. Okay, so now we have this. Now, hang on a second. I had to get my needle nose pliers for this part. We're going to take these and carefully twist, 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 twist. We want to make sure that that pokey end right there is not going to hurt my girl. So we're going to curl it around and around like that. So it looks like a pretty, can you see that? So it looks like a pretty end, but it's not going to be able to get caught on anything. Oops. It's not going to be able to get caught on anything. There. Now, we have this base that I created, and these strings are going to tie this down, and these strings are going to attach this to the wristlet, which I'm going to do off camera because it's pretty fiddly. And after I get it attached there, I'm also going to put a spot of glue. The boys is very similar to making part of a corsage, and you just start out with a leaf on one side, baby's breath in the middle, a little bit of a leaf on the other side. Right there. We're going to start with our tape. Okay. I'm going to leave that on. And the bow. We're going to wrap and wrap and wrap. Decide how long we want the stem to be. First, we need to cut these wires. And that. And then I can take these clippers and cut this. And I'll cut that in a minute. First, let's wrap this around here. You could put the silk leaves in the front of this and have them hanging over that, but I'm not going to put the artificial leaves into this one. I'm going to leave it alone. Once we get to the bottom, we're going to start curling back up. I'm going to cut this off right there. And tight. Sweet. Nice. There we go. That's our boutonniere. Don't forget your pins. And we're done. We're not done. I forgot this, but that's okay. We can slip it in here. We can slip it in there. So that it matches the corsage. Now I gotta wrap this again. Now we're done. There it is. I hope the person that gets this enjoys their evening. Make sure you leave me a like or a comment, and please subscribe.